Let's see if it has a good mouthfeel. That's what she...
Want to take your Negroni to the next level? Just add sushi rice. The starchiness of uncooked sushi rice softens the heat of the spirit in stirred cocktails, imparting a richer, rounder texture. Tated rice will...
This is a pretty interesting idea.
Aviation gin.
Sunday, and my friend Victoria, also my manager, has the idea to do a Sunday sipper series. Today's Sunday, but when you're watching this, it's probably Monday. That's how movie magic works. Didn't think to let one out. I'm making a mess. Is it really that much water? Blender. Should probably use one that has a fucking battery. One more time. In the video, they mixed the rice with the cocktail, but I had the idea to do rice blended and lightly blended and then made into a simple syrup. It's actually a thing that's commonly done in Japanese cuisine. Look, I'll even ask my friend who's a Japanese chef right now. What's up?
What's up? How you doing?
Okay, so I'm making this cocktail. I lightly blended rice to get the starch and made a simple syrup. Is that a thing?
That is a thing. I mean...
Got it. That's all I needed. Hi, Dodger. Bye. Okay, now I've never tried this with a Negroni. And it said on the video that it should give it a good mouthfeel. But I don't know if it's really worth all the hassle. And also, I've never tried aviation. Let's see what it's like. That is pretty smooth.
Aviation
Good job. I was in mid-shot of doing that little orange twisty thing you just saw, and I just had to put an ice pack on the damn camera and open the gate because the camera stopped and overheated. Just another thing, making this take longer. Hurry up. You cost almost $3. Let's see if it has a good mouthfeel. That's what she said. It's a tasty Negroni, but I don't think it's worth it. And that was Sunday Sipper, Sunday Sips, Sunday Sipping on a Monday. What should I do next?